Welcome to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we're going to talk about the TJX Rewards credit card and how you can activate your TJX Rewards card online quickly and easily. If you love shopping at stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, HomeGoods, or Sierra, then this card is a great way to earn rewards and save money on your purchases. But before you can start earning points and rewards, you first need to activate your TJX Rewards card. So, let's get started and get your card ready for use. Open any web browser on your computer or mobile device. Go to the official website, locator.tjxrewards.com. You'll see a simple form on the screen. Fill in the required details and click Submit. Now, click on Activate My Card. Here, you'll need to enter your TJX Rewards card number, the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, SSN, for verification. Once you've entered all the details correctly, click on Submit Your Card. After that, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen saying your card has been successfully activated. That's it. Your TJX Rewards credit card is now active and ready to use for shopping at your favorite stores. Need help? If you face any issues during the activation process, you can always contact TJX Rewards Customer Service for assistance. Their support team will help you resolve any activation or login problems. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official for more step-by-step tutorials and helpful tech guides. Thank you for watching and have a great day.